In 2026, the game has completely changed. The playing field is level. Everyone has access to all the same information. Everyone knows about AI or every business model that's out there, dropshipping, marketing. Everyone knows about it, including you, but you're still broke. And it's probably because you have one thing that's keeping you stuck. And this took me years to figure out, several failed business models, and I was in the same boat to where I was trying everything and I felt like I was trying hard, but I was stuck. And it's not a specific business model or one specific book or thing that completely changed it. It's actually subtracting and being able to build a single skill that's going to help you succeed in any business. Because the one thing that's holding you back is that you're distracted. You're trying to succeed in a business model while looking at 30 different business models. Or even if you are working in a specific business, you're getting distracted. Even during your hours of work, you're not actually focused. You're scrolling on TikTok, you're on Instagram, you're looking at your phone every 10 minutes, and this is why people's hours are not created equal. You can take two people, give them the exact same opportunity, and in 3 months, one of them will do absolutely nothing, whereas one of them will be making 10, 20,000 a month or life-changing money. And it's because hours are not created equal. Because even if you work 10 hours a day, if you're distracting yourself through it, you might be getting a 30% output. Whereas if you're working 5 hours a day and you're actually focused, getting 100% output, you're gonna be moving way further along than the person that's distracted. And that work compounds over time. So the one thing that's holding people back, it's not money, it's not information, it's not having the right business model, it's focus. Because if you can have focus, you can literally do anything with your time. You can get in good shape, you can create a business, you can build a relationship, whatever you want, but it takes focus. So how do you actually create focus? Because it seems like now in 2026, that's the hardest thing to do because there's TikTok, there's Instagram, there's so many distractions. It seems like every kid is making money and everyone's posting on YouTube. So it's hard to actually focus on yourself and actually getting yourself results. So what I've found is that subtraction is actually addition. This is Elon Musk principle whenever it comes to building businesses and actually creating better products is what can we subtract? Because whenever you have unnecessary stuff, it's just cluttering your mind or cluttering your product, and it's most likely unnecessary. So you having 50 different apps, trying 50 different business models, that's what's actually holding you back. And focus doesn't have to be specifically the hours that you're working. This also means every time that you've tried a business and things got hard, what did you do? You backed off. You went to your safety net, your job, your freelance position, whatever it is, you quit because you weren't able to focus for a long period of time. And I guarantee there's something that you know is distracting you that you're not willing to let go of. Because it was the same for me. I had things distracting me that I wasn't willing to let go of. But if you want to succeed, you have to remove those things that you know are distracting you. So subtract things from your life to make it easier to focus. Because if you're sitting there and you don't even have access to those things distracting you, you're going to be forced to actually work and focus for a long period of time. So you have to do what's uncomfortable, decide to remove and subtract those things that are distracting you. And what this looks like when it comes to making money, I personally chose sales, but sit down. If you're looking at different opportunities, look at them, choose one, and go all in on that. Cross everything else out, get it off your mind, because now that just leaves you with you and the opportunity that you're in. There's no excuses as to, oh, this business model's better, or maybe I should do this. No, it's you and what you chose. And if there's other people making money with it, you have to figure it out. So for the next 90 days, after you've chosen something that you're gonna pursue full time, write down your goals, go all in, remove your distractions, subtract it, and actually choose to focus on this for a long period of time.